By the end of this video, you'll be able to subtract two numbers using a number line.
Stick around and watch till the end.
Hi, I'm Nak.
Hi, I'm Tak.
Welcome to Nak Tak 910. Subtraction using a number line. In this lesson, let's learn subtracting numbers using a number line. We have already learned adding numbers using a number line, but now let's do subtraction. In addition, we jumped towards the right, whereas in subtraction, we moved towards the left of the number line. Now, let's look into example. 6 minus 2. Step 1. Draw a number line. Step 2. Find the first number. Here, it's 6 on the number line. Step 3. Next step is to subtract 2. Jump two numbers 1, 2 towards the left. Now we end up at 4. That means 6 minus 2 equals 4. Tak, try solving 9 minus 3 using a number line.
Step 1. Draw a number line. Step 2. Locate the first number. In this case, it's 9 on the number line. Step 3. Jump 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, to the left on the number line. We end up at 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6.